Hello, wonderful traders all over the world. Once again, this is your boy, the Alpha, and we're here to minimize losses and to maximize profits. So, guys, as you can see, we are still on the winning side. Everything is going amazingly pretty well. The side we're on USD JPY. We've got two entries there, and then we've got a CHF JPY. So, guys, I truly regret that I used a smaller lot size over here, because if really I had also used a 0.02 like I did on this one, I was going to be making a lot of money here. As I always say, forex trading is risky. So guys, if you're not ready to make risk, then you're not ready to make profits. Otherwise, if you can just take a look at up here, just look at that amount over there, so you can see it's quite an amazing number, 99.4 something USD. Guys, this is really great. This is really great. And then let's just come this side. Right here I've got my indicator over here, which is called fractals. So I'm just using it only right now. This is the weekly time frame, as you see over there. So this is the weekly time frame, guys. Otherwise, this is just gonna be simple. This is what we really do. On the weekly time frame, you're just going to pay attention to this arrow over here, or this arrow over here. So whenever the arrow on the weekly time frame is up here, like here, so on the smaller time frame, what you're going to be looking for is that you're going to be looking for sell entries. That's why price has been dropping here. And then whenever you find price to be, or you see the arrow at the bottom over there, we are going to be looking for buy entries on the smaller time frame. That's the reason why price has been bullish over these weeks here. So let's just take this to the 15-minute time frame. So now this is the 15-minute time frame. So on the 15-minute time frame, we won't mind the arrows. So this time around, you don't pay attention to these arrows over here, because now we're on the 15-minute time frame. Remember what I said? I said you look at the arrow at the last time frame, at weekly time frame, and then after finding that last arrow, you come back to the smaller time frames to place entries. Remember, our last arrow on the weekly time frame was at the bottom, meaning we are looking for buy entries. We are looking for bullish entries. So now, if we're looking for bullish entries, I'm just going to add two more indicators on our chart so that I can show you how to add these things. So we're just going to go up here. So just go up there. So when we get there, you are going to come to the main chart. So I want us to add the relative strength index. So this is the relative strength index, RSI. So let's add that one. And then for that one, you're going to enter period 1, apply to close. And as for the levels, make sure you click this pencil over there. When you click this pencil, you are going to then come up here to this plus sign so that you can add all these numbers that you see this side. So we are going to add 95, 90, 80, 50, 20, 10 and 5, then make it 4 pixel and make it white. Then the next thing is we are going to click save. Now when you are this side, you are going to come here. So we are going to come over here on the indicator window 1. I want us to add something there. So what you are going to add now is the average true range, which is just right here. So this is the average true range. And then for the settings, you're going to enter period 14 to pixel, and then you can use any color you would want to use. Then you can click save. Now let's go back this side. So now you can see what we have this side is, this is the RSI, and then inside is the average true range. So I'm just using this one or adding this one so that you can get more confirmations about what is happening in the market per time. So guys, this is what we are going to do. I just want to run through this one. So before we continue, let's add one more. So let's go back up there. I want us to add one more. and then you come back to indicator window 1 again, and then this time around I want us to add this one over here, moving average. So for the moving average, we are going to enter period 70, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, make it 3 pixel red, and then you go to click save. Now we've got these 3 over this side, so we've got these 3 here, and let's go back. So this is the average true range. So guys, now I want us to go through. I'm going to be showing you how to find out to make your entries. Remember, now this is the 15 minutes time frame and we want to make entries. Remember that price on the weekly time frame is bullish. Keep that in mind. Price on the weekly time frame is bullish. So this is what we are going to do. When price comes to hit the 90 line level over here, that is the moving average, remember. So when price comes to hit the 90 line level, that is where we open our eyes up. And when price comes and touches the 80 line level, that is when we are going to enter. Now we are going to be entering sell trades. So we're going to be making sell entries. I think it should be somewhere straight over here. So now that is where price will begin to go down. And then what we are going to do is that, okay, let me remove this one, is that we are going to add another trade when price hits the 50 line level on the moving average. So when price hits the moving average there at the 50 line level, you can add another trade. So it means now we've got 2 entries going down. And when price comes and hits the 20 line level, that is where now it is advisable that you begin to close your entries and get ready to make a different entry points. So now when price comes and touches the 10 line level, you have to make sure that everything is closed up and you are ready for price change. So price is going to be changing anytime from there. And then let's just move a little bit. Now you see that price really did change course. Remember, price had touched the 20 line level and now price is beginning to go up again. So now since price has touched the 20 line level at this point, now we're going to be making bullish entries, or we're going to be making buy entries. So we're going to enter one trade when you get there, and then you wait for price to come and hit the 50 line level again. And when price hits the 50 line level, you can add another trade over there. And when price comes and hits the 80 line level, that is where we are going to shut everything down and wait for new entries. So basically that is how this thing works. It's that simple, guys. And remember, I told you that whenever we are to use a strategy, we have got to back test the strategy. Every time we introduce a strategy, we've got to back test it. So basically what I'm doing right now is to show you that this thing is really working. So as you can see, we see price touching the 20 line level over there, we enter a trade. And price touching the 50 line level, we enter another one. Then price coming to hit the 80 line level, we prepare for closure. And price hitting the 99 level, we have closed everything. Now we are starting new entries. And if we're starting new entries, let's just go a little bit. Now you come back and then price hitting the 80 line level. The reason why we don't enter when price hits the 90 line level is because right there we are waiting for a confirmation that price will be really bearish. So when price hits the 80 line level using the moving average, now we know that price is now bearish and we're going to enter our trade. And when price comes and hits the 50 line level, we are going to enter another trade. So guys, these indicators are just there to make things easy for us. As you can see, things are just going nicely this side. Things are really going nicely this side. I just wish you all a profitable week, guys. Let's do this. Let's make money. Let's make this work. So see you next time. Take care.